Hey there and welcome back to another video. Dustin here. In this video, we're going to take a look at Gravity SMTP, a WordPress SMTP plugin from the people at Gravity. By default, WordPress uses WP Mail, which is not always reliable. Gravity SMTP ensures your emails make it to your users' inboxes by integrating your site with a dedicated email sending service. With Gravity SMTP, you can connect with Postmark, Brevo, MailChimp, Gmail, Outlook, and many more to make sure your emails reach their target audience. Let's take a look at how to set everything up. After you install Gravity SMTP, you'll find a setup wizard ready to help you integrate with the email provider of your choice. You'll also have the option of migrating your plugin data from WP Mail SMTP if needed. I'll use the setup wizard to quickly and easily connect with Postmark. Once I'm set up, I can head to the tools page and use the send a test email tool to verify that my connection is working properly. Next, I can head to the integrations page and set up a backup connection, such as Brevo. So now, if there's ever a problem sending emails with Postmark, Gravity SMTP will use Brevo instead. And if you don't want to use any of the built-in integrations, you can sync your site with the SMTP server of your choice by using the custom SMTP feature. Once set up, I can monitor my email traffic with a glance using the SMTP dashboard. From here, I can see stats such as number of emails sent and my overall open rate percentage. The dashboard page also displays a graph overview of your email send and failure rates, as well as a breakdown of your top sending sources and top email recipients. I can also access the email log, which gives me a record of all the emails sent and lets me see at a glance the date that the message was sent and whether or not the email was opened. From this screen, I can also view the email in its original format, and if needed, resend it. Gravity SMTP also includes an email management feature that lets you enable or disable default email notifications sent by WordPress, including notifications for automatic updates, data requests, password resets, and much more. And within the settings page, I also have the ability to enable alerts and receive notifications if email failure ever does occur. I can set up webhook alerts to receive notifications through services like Slack, or enable SMS via Twilio alerts to receive SMS text messages if an email fails to send. If you have a Gravity Forms Elite, Developer, or Nonprofit license, you can download and install Gravity SMTP for free today. And if you have any questions for the Gravity team, be sure to let us know in the comments. Also be sure to check out our Gravity SMTP playlist to learn more about all of the features mentioned in this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.